Hello guys. In today's video I am going to show you some must-have home gadgets. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So guys, our first product is this waterproof rotating phone holder, which is a very amazing product. By keeping the phone in this holder, our phone does not get wet and we just have to place it on the wall of our bathroom and keep our mobile inside it. And even after keeping the phone inside it, the screen of the phone works smoothly and we can rotate it in whichever direction we want. So guys, let's move to our second product, which is this magnetic photo frame, which is very lightweight, and to install it we do not even need to make any hole in the wall. We just have to stick it on the wall or fridge or any other surface where we want to hang it, and then we put any photo inside it, and then we have to close its cover from above, and there are magnets fitted on the sides of its cover, and by sticking it on the wall, it does not leave any marks on the wall. So guys, let's move to our third product, which is this manual lint remover. With this, now removing lint from clothes has become very easy. We just have to rub it on our clothes and it will remove all lint from our clothes. So guys, let's move to our fourth product, which is this silicone remote cover. By using this cover, we can protect our TV remote, AC remote and other remotes as well from dust and stain, and this silicone cover is stretchable and it looks stylish and cute. So guys, let's move to our fifth product, which is this fruit and vegetable peeler machine, which makes peeling fruit and vegetable easier and time savior. And to use it, first put some fruit or vegetable and then put its cover on it and then press the button which is given on the top of cover and it will peel in very less time. So guys, let's move to our sixth product, which is this electric dough maker machine. Guys, kneading dough has become very easy with this electric dough maker machine, and this machine kneads dough in minutes just like hand kneading, and this machine is very beneficial for those who live in hostel or alone because this machine is going to save you a lot of time. So guys, our seventh product is this leaf-shaped soap holder, in which, by keeping the soap, its water flows down from this holder, due to which our soap does not melt quickly. So guys, eighth product is this Ninny mop. By using this Ninny mop, we can clean slab, stove, wall, mirror, etc. easily, and its sponge absorbs every liquid and it cleans every surface in one time and easily, and after cleaning squeeze its sponge. So guys, our ninth product is this foldable mosquito net, and in my opinion it is must have mosquito net, because if we use normal mosquito net we need to hang it on house roof, but with this mosquito net we don't need to hang it anywhere, because when we open it completely, it will automatically take the shape of a mosquito net without hanging it anywhere, so we can use it not only inside the house but also outside the house and while sleeping on the roof. That's why for me it is must-have product which everyone must buy. So guys, let's move to our 10th product, which is this bike brake lock. Guys, are you also worried like me about your scooter or bike getting stolen? Then now you can also be tension-free like me, because now we have this bike brake lock which we have to put on the handle of our bike or scooter in the manner shown in the video, and you just have to be tension-free because breaking this lock is very difficult, or you can say impossible, and this product comes with a key and this lock opens only with that key. So guys, if you like my today's video, give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get my latest videos notification.